Good morning! At ayan na nga, may free breakfast for 2 days. So, kahit medyo inaantok-antok pa, sayang din naman kasi nung free breakfast na yan. Kasi hanggang 10 o'clock, so hindi natin naabutan yung food kapag 10 na tayo bumangon. So, ayan, maaga kaming bumangon, 8 o'clock. Then, after namin kumain, lunchtime, pupunta muna kami, sasaglit kami ng SM Manila to get some souvenirs and memorabilias na pasalubong din ni Christopher sa kanyang loved ones sa Malaysia. So, thank you! May pampalit na tayo sa ating old na body perfume. Kaya, thank you! Dahil naka 5K plus tayo, may pa-free games si SM dyan. So, unfortunately, nag-enjoy lang siya, pero wala siya nakuha. Oh. No, just go on. Ay, nako. Ay. At nagustuhan niya ang sabon na to. Kaya, ayan. Dahil maganda ka. Heart. Ayan, dinala ka na ng Malaysia. At grabe, always crowded naman tong sa SM Manila. Siyempre, nasa Manila tayo. Kaya expect na natin yung heavy traffic around dyan. Buti na lang sa 13, hindi ganyang ka-traffic. Huwag lang mataon, syempre nalabasan ng mga bata sa school kasi medyo mahaba-haba din yung antayan. Oh, di ba nga? Grabe yung init-init kanina. Buti na lang pumunta na kami after lunch. Kasi grabe yung ulan nung hapon na yan. Plano pa naman namin pumunta at maglibot sa Kainang Kalesa. Around dyan sa Intramuros. Pero tingnan mo naman. Ang lakas-lakas ng ulan. Oh. Diyos ko, day. At dahil dyan, yung magkakape-kape na lang tayo. Dahil napakasarap magkape kapag ganito umuulan. thought that son didn't go to school today. To. Grabe. Oh my God, look at that. And the wind also.
Lobster.
Macaroni and cheese toasty in the UK. This sandwich is made with macaroni and cheese, bacon, and bread, and it's toasted until golden brown. And it seems to be one of the favorites on the McDonald's menu over there.
Like lobster. Oh, lobster roll.
Ay, salamat. 6 o'clock na. Grabe. Paano pa tayo makakapag-enjoy, maglibot? Pero, syempre, sayang din naman kasi yun nga yung pinunta natin dyan, makapaglibot sa Intramuros. Kaya, syempre, kahit huli man, ayan, tutuloy pa rin. So, tara, samahan nyo kami.
How many years have you been riding this?
Almost 6 years.
6 years?
Yeah, 60.
60. Yeah.
What do you think my age? I'm going to 80 years old.
Wow! Tignan mo naman, lakas-lakas mo pa, kuya. Galing! For today. Yes. Very good naman ang ating ano. Ha?
Going to Binondo. Monday, it snows. a new tourist spot, Jones Street.
What is the name of this place? Explain.
Jones Street.
Don't see.
Yeah, Jones Street. Not like the church. The church from not Mana.
It's a church you can.
And this is our last night here in Bayleaf, Intramuros. Bukas uwi na siya, babalik na siya ng Malaysia. Medyo nakakasad kasi matagal din siya nag-stay dito sa Philippines. And mahirap din masanay, pero syempre kailangan, ganun talaga. At yan, in-enjoy ko na lang din yung moment habang andito pa siya kasi uwi na siya bukas.
Sure do wish we had a creepy caper again. Well, here was nothing.
Moment of truth. Bye-bye, be. Oh, ingat ka palagi. I'll see you after 4 months. Bye!